Cheras OCPD ACP Chong Kok Sin said the gang has been active around Klang Valley in the past 5 months.
Modus operandi mereka adalah mereka umpil itu kunci pintu kenderaan, mematikan alat penggera kenderaan dan sambung konektor kunci untuk menghidupkan kenderaan. Apabila sudah dapat kenderaan semua, mereka akan pasukan cukai jalan kenderaan yang dicuri.
The stolen vehicles were later sold at a cheap price to unsuspecting customers for between 500 and 2,000 ringgit. During the raids, police recovered 10 cars believed to have been stolen. Also seized were 19 car keys, 11 road tax discs, 7 car registration cards and 9 driving licenses belonging to their victims. With the arrest, police believed they have solved at least 19 car theft, 3 gang robberies and 2 snatch theft cases. All suspects aged between 19 and 40 have been remanded to assist in investigations.